each other this year. I hope I can go home. And mahal kasi ang pamasahe. And good luck, my friend, and take care. Regards to our colleagues and friends there. Bye.
Happy retirement. Thank you sa lahat. Thank you sa binigay mong bag na hanggang ngayon ay buhay na buhay pa. At alam ko yung bag na yon ay mabubuhay siya hanggang ako ay buhay. And enjoy na at relax-relax na lang, ma'am. Travel. At ingat na lagi and God bless.
Happy retirement, Ma'am Rems. I love you. I will miss you.
Hello, Ma'am Remy. Thank you for all the support. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
Happy retirement, Ma'am Remy. Happy birthday, Ma'am Remy. We will miss you.
Happy retirement, Ma'am Remy. Happy retirement, Ma'am Remy.
Happy retirement, Ma'am Rems. Mag-aalaga ka na ng apo mo. Good luck.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, happy retirement, Ma'am Remy. Don't forget me, always pray.
Happy retirement, Ma'am Remy.
Happy retirement, Ma'am Remy. I love you.
Happy retirement, Ma'am Remy.
Happy retirement, Ma'am Remy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happiest birthday, Ma'am Remy, and happy retirement day. Sapay ka mo, ma'am, ta. Umay ka pa nga binigat ng eskwelahan. Thank you.
Hello po, Ma'am Remy. Happy retirement po.
Happy retirement, Ma'am Rems. God bless po.
Hello, Maring Remy. Happy retirement and happy birthday.
Hi, Mommy! Happy birthday and happy retirement! I wish that this retirement of yours and your birthday celebration, you would be enjoying your retirement, traveling around the world, and of course, enjoy the happiness of doing the apostolic role of your apo. I hope, Mommy, that you will be enjoying your birthday and your retirement. Happy birthday, Mommy!
Happy retirement, Ma'am Remy. God bless. Happy birthday, Ma'am Remy, and happy retirement. God bless and enjoy. Thank you.
Happy retirement, Ma'am Remy! Happy retirement, Ma'am Remy!
Happy birthday and happy retirement, Ma'am Remy. We miss you.
Hello, Ma'am Remy. God bless you po. Magre-retire na kayo. I wish you great health, joy, and many more blessings for you and your family. I know you're going to enjoy your new role as great Lola, Mamila, to your new grandson. Stay healthy, Ma'am. We will miss you at Tinsu. Pasyal po kayo so we can see you often. God bless you po.
Ma'am Remy Diyos Kabina. Peace!
Happy birthday and happy retirement, Ma'am Remy. We love you and we will miss you. Happy birthday and happy retirement, Ma'am Remy. We love you.